Why?
There are lots of new faces. I have faces in my council whom they say I have imported. You may even import. What is wrong about it?
But give a good candidate.
You give good candidate. And in assembly constituencies, you don't. It doesn't matter where you stay. You are not fighting a ward election. So बरो candidate हाडून दी मरे. बरो दोतोर दी, बरो engineer दी, बरो कोण तरी गोंयच्या खातीर करपी दी. I think he will be endorsed by the people. And there is no such thing की social group वॉच ताका वोट करतलो. अशें कांय ना तें. आमी पळयलां हांगा की आमचे 9 क्रिस्तांव आमदार, 9 क्रिस्तांव कावन्सिलर हे हिंदू मतांनी जिखिल्ले आहा. When there was 9 places where there was Hindu majority, where there was Hindu majority, I put a Catholic and the Hindus have voted for the Catholic and got them elected. This shows की गोंयकारपण म्हणटे फातोर्डान दिश्टी पडटा म्हणून. जंय भेदभाव ना, जंय तुजें बीफ म्हणटे पॉलिटिक्स चलना, जंय तुजें कसलें तें कितें लव जिहाद म्हणटा स्लोगन जायना, जंय इंटॉलरन्स जे आयलां ताजे विरुद्ध सगळे बरे गोंयकार एक जातात.
Who are your natural allies? I am not saying comfortable, not comfortable, whether it will work out, it will not work out. Apart from Congress, who are the kind of people you are looking at as, or the already existing political formations you are looking at as natural allies?
See, I am only saying natural ally because we haven't gone and seen an alternative there. But if there is an alternative, first thing should be a new face, a young face, a non-corrupt face, and preferably less than the age of, let's say, 65. When it comes to MLAs, you have to, if a judge retires at 65, why not an MLA? So that should be the concept. This is what I believe in. Councillor आमी ते 50 म्हणून केल्ले. कित्याक काउन्सिलरान ते मोटरसायकल चलोवपी आसपाक जाय काउन्सिलर. जो वचून गटर पळोवंक शकता. गाडी आहा जाल्यार काउन्सिलर फेल. हे म्हणजे ब्रॉड पॅरामिटर आशिल्लो. सो म्हाका दिसता की अशे बरे भुरग्यांक सोदूंक वचूंक जाय. आतां सोदल्यात ना आमी. आनी लास्टाक जर रावतले जाल्यार मागीर नॅचरल एलाय सोदचे पडटले. आतां नॅचरल एलाय तातूंत अशें आसूंक शकता की somebody who takes on the BJP. For example, you see the dichotomy of the Congress. Today in Kukoli, it was Congress and BJP versus Congress. One group of the Congress. And तो येतकच ताका ते म्हणटा आतां he is betting for the BJP म्हणून. So this is a big problem. So you can't be fighting your own people.
So what will be your first priority? First priority will be a new formation where you give new candidates, or the first priority will be Mahagathbandhan. If that doesn't work out, you will look at an independent option.
Now, एक कितें आहा की we cannot ignore the fact that there are 3 sessions of the Legislative Assembly which are yet to come. We also cannot ignore the fact that you are telecasting it live and we can make an impression.
Absolutely.
And the conditions are such की आमी जर बरी असेंब्लीन सेशन गाजयलें जाल्यार हाजेरूय आमी
काँग्रेसीक
धरचें पडटा. कित्याक इट इज अ प्रिंसिपल ओपोजिशन पार्टी.
ते गाजयतले
गाजोवपाक जायच. आनी म्हाका दिसता आतां अशी कंडिशन्स आसात की ते गाजोवंक आमी शकतात. तांणी मिड टर्म असेसमेंट म्हणून जो पळय केला बीजेपीन तो सिन्सियरली करूंक ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता ते सेमी फायनलीच्या उतरांत सेमी फायनलीन ते हारिल्ले आहा कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिवली म्हणजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. अशें खूब कडेन ते हारूंक शकतात. इट इज नॉट दॅट की दे हॅव ओनली फेल्ड इन फातोर्डा and the rest of the places they are doing well. It's not like that. म्हाका दिसता म्हारगाय जी आयल्या हे म्हारगायेन हिंदू मनशाक डिस्कावंट मेळना. सो हे हिंदून तुजे बरोबर रावप कित्याक? आज मायनिंग स्टार्ट करता व्हडले डिक्लरेशन मायनिंगाचेर जाग्यार पडला जे तुमी बंद केल्ले. तुमी सुरवात करपाक पावल्या तुमी पावूंक ना. तुमी बारीक मनशाचे विचार करता करना. हे कोण तरी सांगपी जाय. Somebody should bail the cat. I feel that one cannot ignore Legislative Assembly as a forum.
Absolutely.
To expose this. Therefore the talk of GOA. कित्याक जाता तितले आमी असेंब्लीनूय कितें तरी करूंक जाय.
You are talking about Goa Opposition Alliance. जाता
जावपाक जाय आनी जर जायना जाल्यार then the Congress has to then be forced to be a junior partner. आतां बिहारान एक 125 वर्सांची पॉलिटिकल पार्टी is junior partner to Lallu and Nitish, who are socialists, who were at one time Lohiya's brainchild. Their parties are Lohiya's brainchild. So, and the Congress is junior partner to them with the common intention of trying to stop the communal forces. The
message is very clear. Let's form Goa Opposition Alliance. Let's corner the government. Let's expose the government. If Congress backs out, try and be ready to be the junior partner in next assembly election.
Yes, Yes, they will have to be because the people will relegate them. तू बेंचीजान तू relegate जाता न्ही. तू जर सारको खेळना जाल्यार you are put on the back benches in the football. So तशेंच जातलें तांचें.
They are still hopeful that you might join back.
See, to join back, where are the conditions? See, one thing is, has the Congress learned lessons from the past? Has the Congress learned anything from 23 to 9? हें जालें कित्या खातीर जालें आनी तें तांणी करेक्ट करपाक सिच्युएशन केलें. तांचे भितर अजून मेरेन द फेसीस दॅट आर सीन इन द फॉर द पब्लीक आर कंप्लिटली डिस्क्रेडिटेड फेसीस. आय एम नॉट सेईंग ऑफ द टॉप लिडरशीप बट द स्पोक्समॅन कितें आतां कोण दिसतात तेच लोक म्हणजे हे सोडून कोण मेळना हांकां अशें दिसपाक लागता. 125 वर्सांची पार्टी जी गोंयांत इतले वर्सां चलताली हातूंत लोक मेळना म्हणटा म्हाका आय एम अनेबल टू आन्सर दीस. सेकंडली एक मोविना सारको मनीस जो पुडवे मारून घर वापसी ताजी ऑलरेडी जाल्ली आहा जावन पसून तुमी ताका घेवन न्हिदतात हें कशें? सोडा मरे ताका, थ्रो हिम आउट, दॅट्स इट. बिकॉज ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू गो आउट, लेट हिम गो. ताका ते मिनिस्टर करता पळोवया मरे करता जाल्यार आनी तुमी रावन ताका एक्सपोज करा मरे. तुमकां कांयच करूंक नाका. यू आर इन अ स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट पॅरालिसीस.
एक गजाल जी सामकी गोंयकाराची तकली आसा वेन यू आर प्रायमरीली कॅप्चरींग दॅट ओपोजिशन स्पेस आणि यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ बिग इम्पॅक्ट ऑन दॅट व्हॅक्यूम की फाल्यां विजय जांकां आमी 2012 भितर भायर उडयल्ले अशाच लोकां बरोबर संधान साधून सत्तेर येवपाचो प्रयत्न करचो ना हाजें उतर विजय दिवंक शकता.
हांव एक क्लियर कट सांगूंक शकता की हांव फुडलें इलेक्शन जें झगडटलो हें कंप्लीट एक प्रॉपर गोंयच्या एजेंडा खातीर आमी झगडटले जें आमी वी वील नॉट डू अ यू टर्न ऑन एनीथींग. आय एम नॉट दॅट पर्सन हू वील से दॅट आमी काजिनो 2 दिसान बंद उडयतले. आय डोंट एग्री विथ दॅट. वन हॅज टू बी प्रॅक्टिकल. जें कितें जातलें तेंच सांगपाचें. उगीच सपनां खंयची लोकांक सांगप. फोटीचो मॅनिफेस्टो करप ना. जो प्रॅक्टिकेबल मॅनिफेस्टो आहा हो करचो पडटा. आनी गोंयकारपण आमची आवय भास कोंकणी हें सगळें पळोवन हें करचें पडटलें. हें करतना म्हज्यान एक उतर दिवपाक जाता की दिल्ले उतराचेर कांयच कॅट करचें ना.
नंबर्स बिकम व्हेरी क्रिटिकल. 21ाचो आंकडो जाय. ह्या 21च्या आंकड्या खातीर लोकांची एक आसतलें की वी आर रेडी टू गिव यू अ लार्ज चंक ऑफ स्पेस ऑफ गोवन पॉलिटिक्स. माइट नॉट बी अ डिसिसिव्ह स्पेस टू कम टू पॉवर बट अ ह्यूज स्पेस वेर यू माइट बी द प्रिंसिपल ओपोजिशन प्लेयर. अशी परिस्थिती भितर लोकांनी ती अपेक्षा दवरपाक जाय विजया कडच्यान की विजय वील डू ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिक्स विदाउट टेकिंग दीज alleged rogues with him, sit with them and make them a partner in policy making.
No. See, the point is the policy making will be decided as a manifesto. That should be your सारकें गीता, बायबल, कुराण. पयलींच सांग हें बाबा आपूण अशें करतलो. तातूंत व्हडली प्रॉमिस करपाची गरज ना. म्हाका दिसता साद्यो गोश्टी आज मेरेन गोंय जे ट्युरिस्ट जागो म्हणटात स्वच्छ ना. कितेंय सांगू ते कितले फोटो मारून पेपराचेर हाडूंक स्वच्छ भारत म्हणटा गोंयांत येवंक ना. आज तुमचो सांतिनेज नाळो तितलोच आहा आनी यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्मार्ट सिटी. सो इट इज अ स्मार्ट स्टिंकिंग सिटी दॅट यू आर गोइंग टू हॅव. सो एंडेमिक इश्यूज दॅट आर फेस्ड बाय द पीपल ऑफ गोवा डोंट हॅव सोल्युशन्स बींग गिवन बाय द BJP. And the Congress has inherited, the BJP is inheriting those problems from the Congress. So I feel you have to come with a new alternative. An alternative which will be progressive, which cannot only try to come with certain dogma. की आमी हें करतले. आज तांकां दिसता की एसिड अपोलोजेटीक एक पॉलिटिक्स जर केलें जाल्यार गुन्यांव बोगस म्हणलो म्हणटकच लोक गुन्यांव बोगस म्हणटले आनी मतां दितले म्हणून. अशें जायना तें. तुजे कडेन एक प्रोग्राम आसपाक जाय बाय वीच यू कॅन गो फॉरवर्ड. इकॉनॉमी इज वन ऑफ इट. यू कॅनॉट मेक द इकॉनॉमी कोलॅप्स. इलिगल मायनींग म्हणल्यार मायनींग बंद पडलें. मायनींग बंद पडल्यार आतां तें स्टार्ट करून कांयच जायना हांच्यान. सो तशें जायना. यू विल हॅव टू बी रियलिस्टीक and you will have to be able to take everyone together including the mine owner and the environmentalists.
ज्या लोकांक ज्या लिडर्सांक लोकांनी 2012 भायर मारिल्ले आनी तांची रेप्युटेशन कांयच ना, दे आर कंप्लिटली डिस्क्रेडिटेड, असली मनशांक काँग्रेसीन टिकीट दिवची न्ही. विल दीस बी युअर प्री कंडिशन बिफोर सिटींग अक्रॉस द टेबल विथ काँग्रेस ऑन एनी न्यू अरेंजमेंट?
पळय, म्हाका अशें दिसता की रियलिस्टीक एसेसमेंट जावपाक जाय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो. आतां डिस्क्रेडिटेड आमी म्हणटात. वॉट इज डिस्क्रेडिटेड? एक म्हणल्यार तांकां फॅमिली राज म्हण लागलें. एक फॅमिलीन 4 टिकेट्यो दिल्यो, सगळे 4य जाण पडले. हाजो अर्थ असो न्ही की ते 4य जाण वायट आसले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जोकी आलेमांव हॅड डन लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन कोंकणी. and was a MLA which Kungoli people should have voted for. But because of that whole thing, toy padlo. Ata, suppose there is a formation which comes out, which says, Baba, ami 1 lakh family in ditat. But kaam kelle ha dirtane constituency. Why should people not endorse him? Why should you not accept him? But then, if it was my choice, I would say no. Tuka naam, burgya card. Young burgya card. Because young are better, fresher, accepting new ideas, they are modern, and तेच करचे ना. So तांकां alternative दितू.
But it will not be your precondition.
No, it could be the precondition.
It could be
of course. And if they form GOA, I can say we can decide the candidates together. वचून सगळ्याक decide करूया आता. मागीर बरो कोण आहा ताका ticket दिवपाची. पयशे घेवन ticket दिवप ना. High command ticket दिवचे ना. High command has got complete disconnect with the masses. High command आणि हांचो transfer जाता. It is like the police inspector getting transferred from the Thana, police Thana. आज एक आहा फाल्यां दुसरो आता. ताका कांयच खबर नासता आनी तो दुसऱ्याक दिता. तशें नाही होचें ना.
Last question, but a very crucial question. Can MGP be an ally?
No, you cannot have anybody who is aligned with the BJP or a plant of the BJP. At the moment, MGP is sharing the government space with the BJP. One cannot look at them. You can't run with the hounds and दोनोंही बरोबर करूंक जायना. You can't be doing both at the same time. MGP has to clearly say that we are going out.
If they break alliance on the face of election,
you can consider them. You can talk to them, and you will have to have a common minimum program. Then you cannot be opposed to bikinis.
But even if they enjoy power for 5 years and break the alliance at the last minute, you are fine with talking to them.
No, not last minute. It can't be, because tomorrow we may have candidates there. It has to be well in time. Opportunistic alliances ज़्यादा दिल्ली करप ना. Opportunistic alliances only to capture power should not be done. My feeling is there has to be some ideology that is the basis of taking you forward.
What is your deadline for MGP to quit?
Beginning with New Year. नवे वर्षाक नवे कित तरी जावचे. ना जाल्यार ते चुकतले. They'll miss the bus.
So if MGP wants to catch the bus, they have to
catch it fast.
They have to catch it in the first day of the new year.
Yes, it will be very nice.
Last, it is new party of Vijay Sardesai and not Ghar Wapsi to Congress.
No, I am not saying anything. I am saying that let time take its toll. I am talking about a grand opposition alliance now at the moment, and I am leaving it to the people to direct us. See, I may be the facilitator, but it is the people who have to move.
All options open.
All options are open basically to fight the BJP. The option of joining the BJP is not there.
Correct.
They are nuts.
Right.
It is no.
But option of joining the Congress is open.
No, I am not saying the option of joining the Congress is open, but the option of doing business with the Congress. When you are taking forward the task of Goa forward, is always open. We have to talk to the Congress. We can't ignore the Congress.
Absolutely, but it is going to be your own formation.
No, it'll have to be something which is based on some common minimum program. It can't be just the way the Congress is going to dictate to you, because they are not calling the shots now. They have to understand it. They have to understand the ground level situation, which means that they are not in the driver's seat.
They are not in the driver's seat. I think the message is loud and clear. As always, Vijay, it was a pleasure talking to you.